Okay, so we're here at, this is called Senado Square. We're going to be walking down toward, this is called Rua de São Domingos, and this is São Domingos Church. And we're going to walk down this beautiful little alley, and we're going to, today I think we're going to focus on, we always try to focus on a topic, and today it's going to be fashion related. I'm going to get more into that in a minute. So let's come back in a second. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Macau. So this is São Domingos Street, and what we're going to do is we're going to just do a fashion video. So we're just going to look for the fashion. I'll just kind of give you a little bit of context of the Macau situation right now. Everybody that lives in Macau is basically there's no tourists here, basically. There's a few from the neighboring city of Zhuhai, but predominantly everybody that's here is working here or living here or have rights to be here, or they could have been a tourist that got caught here 3 months ago back in March, and now it's on June 20 something. Let me just kind of see. And today we're gonna just check out, today's also a very humid day, so just to give you lots of sports shops everywhere here. Okay, so we're going to look at fashion today, and we got São Domingos Church right here. So we're kind of give you a combination of different things here. So I don't know how well we're gonna do with our topic today. I'll give you a little context. Today is a Monday night. So Monday night, it's about 7 o'clock in the evening. And basically, there's this kind of changes all the time, this particular area. And then this one is São Domingos, which is quite spectacular actually, especially in the evening. Then you have all these kind of illuminating lights everywhere. Then a lot of the stores are like these kind of things. Giordano, Belano, Sasa, Bossini. Bossini is everywhere. It's just a clothing shop. I don't know how they make that much money. I guess clothing must be a good business, because sometimes people will make the stores will stay a long time. Grand Lisboa right up there. So okay, we're gonna keep looking for Sasa. Okay. Actually, we got these kind of beautiful little corridors as well. So this is, let me just see. We have these two. There we go. So, okay. Okay. See, architecture-wise, yeah, this video is turning more into architecture video. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna call this one. Might actually be more of an architecture video than anything. And the lighting right now is almost perfect. I don't know how I'm going to label this. I guess I can't really label it. I can't label it a fashion video, so we'll have to label it a little bit differently. But this is basically an architecture video, I guess. And this one constantly changes. So last time I was here filming is probably there probably wasn't anything now at that time, and now there's a bunch of lotus leaves in there. Okay. Okay, we don't quite have enough people to really make this into a fashion video like I originally was thinking I might be able to do. So there's the Apollo. This is the post office right there. Municipality building. Mannings. There we go. So yeah, anyways, kind of get an idea of the beautifulness of Macau. And I guess what we're gonna do is just walk down this street, and I think we're just gonna call it the end of the video in a minute. But I'll just give you some context. So there's this kind of cool street, and this one goes all the way down to where the ports used to be. And then Soldado Square is right here, and the post office. So this would have been the heart of the city in the past. So yeah, the Inner Harbor Ferry Terminal would have once been there. I don't think they use it anymore. But there's a sign there, so I have went there and I tried to use it, and they said that it didn't exist. But that doesn't mean that it doesn't exist. It just means that I met somebody that told me it didn't exist. So okay. Actually, the lighting right now is amazing. Really amazing lighting. So anyways, I think we're going to be ending this in a minute, but I just wanted to capture some of the architecture and a little bit of the city street. And that's Jollibee, which is where all the Filipino fast food, Filipinos usually go there because the fast food is very popular in the Philippines. So, okay. Then straight ahead is Wynn Casino. You can see MGM and Wynn in the distance. So basically if you walk all the way down there, it goes directly into those casinos, but not 100% direct, because you have to get over kind of a big obstacle. But it looks closer from here. And I think on that note, we're just gonna end this video right here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.